All right, if we know that solids have weight, like this little heavy metal weight, and we know that liquids have weight, like this bottle of water, then by theory, gas should also have weight. So what I've done here is I've made a very simple little balance scale. And we've got a broom handle and a couple of paper bags taped to the end, and our fulcrum is just a foam block that it's resting on. Right now, it's even because both bags are just full of the same gas, our air that we breathe. But if we create another gas that we can pour in that might be heavier than our air, then we should be able to make the scale go down, showing the heavier weight of that gas. Now, an oldie but a goodie is just simply to create a carbon dioxide gas. We can do that simply by adding some vinegar and baking soda. It causes a reaction where you get fizzing and bubbling, but we get a gas, a carbon dioxide gas. Let's give it a try. So I've got my baking soda here, and I've got my vinegar. Let's mix the two and then pour it into this one. And there we go, we can see how this side is getting heavier.